Hey, this is Colin Dwyer from SpaceDead.com. This is number 28 in a 31-part series on basic music theory. We've been talking about C major because of all the white keys, and it's much easier to visualize on the piano. It gets more complicated now. We're going to move to G major. We're going to introduce our first sharp that's actually in the key of G major. I'm going to show you why. It's all based on the pattern that we were going to remember. Okay? So I'll show you the pattern. I'm going to just play this G major scale for you one time. We're starting on G. Okay? We need to go whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half. And if you memorize that pattern that we talked about, you could pretty much put your finger on any piano key, follow that pattern, and you will find the major scale in that key. Let's take a look up here. And what I just did was I went G to A whole, A to B whole, half, whole, 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 half. Now, here's what's tricky. Okay? We have F here. But since we know that it's the key of G, you have to put a sharp in what's called the key signature. This is the key signature, different than the time signature. The key signature is where we look to see what key we're in, because we don't write the letter names on the notes when we're playing music. We look up at the key signature, we know that F is sharp. If there's only one sharp and it's F, we know we're in the key of G. Once you memorize all of the key signatures, you'll be able to do that too. And the reason that F is sharp, again, is because if we follow this pattern that we've learned, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, it just naturally creates F has to be sharp to stick with that pattern. Okay? And I will see you next time.